Mounting solar panels looks simple until the first heavy windstorm hits your system and tears it completely off your roof. But a poor mounting job doesn't usually fail immediately. It fails slowly, over months or years, through hidden roof leaks, loosening hardware, and mounting mechanical stress. Before you drill a single hole, you need to verify 3 things. Identify your exact roof type, whether it's metal sheet, concrete, or tiles. Confirm there are no weak or rotten sections in the structure, and put on a proper fall protection harness. You also need the right hardware. Standard wood screws will pull out under tension. You must use heavy-duty lag bolts to handle the extreme structural loads of the array. Mastering the physical mounting process is the only way to guarantee your solar investment outlasts decades of severe environmental abuse. Step 1 is building a solid base. You have to locate the internal structural rafters beneath your external roofing material. This diagram shows how load transfers. Brackets must anchor directly into thick wooden rafters using heavy lag bolts. If you anchor the massive dead load into just thin sheet metal, the surface buckles under the weight, while the rafter remains completely untouched. Once your brackets are perfectly aligned and fastened to the rafters, you can install the continuous aluminum mounting rails across them. Keep the rails perfectly level, but make sure you leave a physical gap between individual sections of the aluminum. This schematic demonstrates the principle of thermal expansion. High temperatures cause continuous metal runs to expand. That built-in gap absorbs the structural stress and prevents the rails from warping or cracking over time. By anchoring firmly into core structural members and planning for metal expansion, you ensure the foundation of your system won't tear itself apart as the seasons change. Now that the rails are set, adjust the mounting feet to establish a specific tilt angle, rather than laying the panels dead flat against the roof. This chart plots a solar panel's ideal tilt angle against a globe's latitude. For low-latitude regions near the equator, 5 to 15 degrees works best. Tilting also creates gravity-driven rain runoff for self-cleaning and promotes convective airflow underneath to keep hardware cool. Next, carefully lift your panels onto the leveled rails and secure the perimeters using the proper mid-clamps and end clamps. Do not over-tighten these clamps. Excess torque will fracture the aluminum frame or shatter the panel glass entirely. For multi-panel systems, you also have to maintain exact geometric spacing between multiple rows of panels. Calculating proper row spacing ensures that the front array does not cast crippling shadows on the rear array during low sun angles in the winter. Executing precise geometry in both your panel spacing and your tilt perfectly balances maximum energy extraction with long-term mechanical safety. Now we move to the single most critical long-term hazard of any roof installation: waterproofing the structural penetrations. Every single roof penetration must be sealed properly using a sequence of rubber gaskets, layered flashing systems, and high-quality weatherproof sealant. Water must be completely diverted around the hardware so it flows freely over the mounting point instead of pooling. Ignoring proper waterproofing leads to severe consequences. Small leaks inevitably turn into extensive interior mold and structural wood rot that can ruin your home. The same care applies to your electrical safety. Route your solar cables using UV-resistant clips to keep the lines firmly elevated off the raw roof surface. This schematic illustrates the severe risk of water tracking, insulation breakdown. Aggressively managing and diverting both external rainwater and internal water tracking paths is the single most important factor in preventing a catastrophic system failure. Before you finish up on the roof, perform a final, comprehensive physical torque check on all clamps, anchors, and rails. Pay special attention to the outer edge panels of the array. This is the most critical zone during your final inspection. This aerodynamic chart shows the physics of wind uplift. The extreme outer edges of the array experience exponentially higher aerodynamic pressure than the center, as the wind curls under and attempts to lift the panels. By strictly following these physical tolerances, your system is now structurally locked, permanently weatherproofed, and fully optimized for the environment. What type of roof are you installing on? Drop your material type in the pinned comment below, and we'll guide you on your unique mounting risks. Now that your panels are securely mounted, click the next video in our Solar Installation Mastery series to learn how to safely wire them into your batteries and inverter.